How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at WKHS Workhorse Group. Good day for this one, guys. We called it in the Patreon Discord. We said suspect a bounce, and that's exactly what happened. A low of today of $11.23. High of the day right there at $12.22. Almost a full dollar that you could have capitalized on if you got the alert or you saw it yourselves. And this video itself, Workhorse, is a Patreon requested video, so click the link in the description box down below to join that, and you guys can select which tier you would like, and we would love to have you. So let's go ahead and get into the technical analysis right here. Yesterday's video, we said the low of $11.28, I believe, was the low. So this morning when it dipped down, everybody thought it was going to flush down. And when it found the bottom, each candle, here's 30 minutes, go to the 5-day 5-minute. And right here, in 5 minutes, it spiked down. So people got the right amount of time to get in, and it just skyrocketed, like we said, up there to 12.20. So I guess I'm, a couple cents off I was. But, good day. We did trend down a little bit, and now we're pretty stagnant. Resistance is the VWAP line right there at $11.82. We are trending in the Bollinger Bands, though, pretty good. 1226 to 1136. They are pretty close, so I do expect more movement heading into tomorrow. You guys know that something was bound to happen because of the Bollinger Bands. Usually, most of the time, when the lines are really close like this, something's going to happen. It's going to push up or push down. Obviously, that's one indicator. And then you should look at volume. It's another indicator, and then just overall price movement is another. You should always have at least 3 to 5 indicators if you're just going to be basing your trades off indicators. Me personally, I'm more of just technical analysis. I see a breakout and boom, see volume going up, boom, and then obviously the Bollinger Bands are helpful as well. Like I said, the resistance right there, 1182. You have the support down there at the low. Support also at 1140, 1160. Resistance, obviously, up there at that 1220 high of the day. 1315, 1346. All these levels we talked about in previous videos or in the Discord. The high up there at $42 is going to be on everybody's mind for sure. But like we said in many videos, because we do cover this, quite a lot, $20 is going to be your strongest resistance to push up. 3-year chart, so you can see that earnings are on 8-10, so stay tuned for that. The company was trending in a good direction, pretty stagnant, and then the last quarter, negative 18, that was not good at all, no bueno. So if you get negative 18 again, expect the price to go down, maybe sub 10, maybe at 10, it bounces up. If it's better than negative 18, probably around the 15. If it's positive, I do expect this to be, $25, $30 coming up here. Let's go back to the 1-year, 1-day chart so we can see the volume of 10 million shares. So not that bad. It's better, it's better than yesterday's and almost the day before. So you really want, it's like, obviously it's okay to have a red day and a stock, a pullback. You need a pullback to have a strong stock. And when you do have these pullback days, you don't want the red candles to have more volume than the green. And for the past couple days, that's exactly what happened right here, beginning of June, or end of June, beginning of July. And now we have green volume substantially increasing, and I do expect more movement headed into the rest of July here. So guys, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. I tend to answer them all. I really appreciate you guys watching. The last couple of videos have been absolutely killer with views, so I really appreciate that. And like I said, click the link in the description box down below to join the Patreon Discord. Only $3 a month, cancel anytime. And if you get the $5 tier, you get to see what video I make for the day. You get to choose what video I make for the day. Oh, hey guys, I get to talk about news. I'm so excited to talk about everything else. I gotta talk about the news. I guess really nothing there. Kathy Woods, ETF, and a workhorse for Galactic Coinbase, and Teledoc, her favorites. And Amazon secures patent for delivery van control drone technology. Whoa. That could be pretty good. Does it say what company they're going to be tending to work with? A van with a plan, they say. Right here, truck manufacturer Workhorse Group is one of them, but its model, which attaches mount drones atop of delivery vehicles with born little fruit and several buyers reporting serious malfunction. Guys, this is huge. Whoa, this is huge. This was 1150. So Amazon is using, or planning on using, Workhorse Group to have a drone on the top, the drone mounted base with a drone on top delivering your packages. That is huge. If they get a full disclosure with saying Amazon's partnering up with Workhorse, this could be $50, $100 in the matter of days. Guys, stay tuned for this one. We'll be covering this one almost every day if the price action lets us. And if you guys want on the Patreon, click the link in the description box and select those tiers, and I'll be making any video you guys want stock related, of course. So like I said, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see ya in the next one.